signs are busting out the door. Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more. Please won't you make it stop? Snow's piled 5 feet high. Dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine. Christmas time again.
Okay, got my posh camera today. This is my brand new camera, which I don't usually bring down here. I bought it as a replacement to the old one because of the abuse that it's had and the fact it doesn't work properly. But I'm scared to use it now because it gets damaged. But anyway, I'm down here with the new camera. I'm not going to keep using this. It's the 23rd of December. So since the last video, I went on, I went to work from about an hour after I finished the last video, and I was at work and on call from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday till Monday morning, and that was yesterday morning. And then yesterday I had to drive all the way to Lincoln, 6.5 hours away, to collect my daughter that doesn't drive a car because she rides a motorcycle, to bring her here for Christmas. And that was yesterday. Today's the 23rd, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So I've kind of got half a day, and I was up late this morning because I didn't get in till 2 o'clock this morning driving my daughter here. So I've got about half a day's worth of work to do a video. I'll try my best. You're not going to get much of a video. Anyway, let's get inside. So today's first job is to investigate why I'm getting a low power alarm from our battery system. The power's on. I've just been to check. So I'm just wondering whether the breaker inside the boat's gone or not, because the battery lasts for a few days without power. Starts to get low if the charger's not charging. Okay, let me put you down somewhere. Look how clear this new camera is compared to the other. I'll just put you down. Hang on. It's a little bit weird in here. It always has that damp woody smell, doesn't it? And we've got some old remnants here of videos in the past. Do you remember that? I've just found that on the side. That was that test cut out steel I did, and you can see how, can you get the focus, how thin it got. But where the good steel is good, or where the steel is good, it's good, if that makes sense. Anyway, procrastinating, just creating content from nothing because I've got nothing to show you. Right, let's get inside. I've got my crap hat on today. I can't find my good one. There we go, breaker reset, and we're now charging. Okay, I'll go and lock back up and we'll get back into the den. Right, let's get some lights on, get something done, and then get on with Christmas. Boom! Lights. Some more lights to put on too. Hang on. There we go. Bit of light in the background. Okay, I'm going to put this camera somewhere out the way while I do some work. I don't want to get this one messed up. So you remember we got to here last time and we were just offering up the plate. So I'm just going to double check the measurements now, make sure I'm happy, because the bottom of here really needs to be 4 mils higher than the bottom of here, because that still has the 4 mil plate in. So if we scribe across to there, we need another 4 mils above that. That's where the plate should really land. So let's just have a quick play with that. Found a slightly better hat. Okay, so we need to tack weld this in now. So the next thing to do now is put this plate in. In retrospect, in fact, I meant to do it. I should have tack welded this plate in first before I actually welded that, just to stop any distortion of the plate. I don't know why I didn't. I forgot to do it. That's what I was planning to do. But anyway, it hasn't made any difference. There's no distortion in the plate, so I'm lucky. But I need to measure up now and get this other plate in, because short day, I'm going to get home. Christmas. 108 by 118. Okay, so because I intend to not be here over Christmas, I just want to cover up this bare steel, and I'm going to use some primer. It's some high zinc weld through primer, and the reason I'm using that is because I do intend to blast that off before we actually put the epoxy primer on that we're going to be using. But just in case during the blasting process, or if I have to do any more welding, some of the paint does get into the weld. It's weld through primer, so shouldn't affect it too much. So I'll just clean this up now and get some primer on it. On the subject of weld through primer, thank you very much again, Steve Jarvis. Amazon wish list, weld through primer. Where is it? Thank you, Steve. There we are then, all plated up. Looking good, apart from that dog ugly weld in the middle. But don't worry, we might have to do a bit of grinding. Well, when we get to finishing, we'll sort that out. But this filler that goes in the middle, so hopefully that'll just get smoothed over with the filler. I'm quite happy with that, so there's no more rot there. So that's that job done. We've got this to do at some stage before we start progressing too far forwards. And that's the rather grotty steel that we've taken out. Right, let's go and see what's happening with the family at Christmas. It's Christmas.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Are we dishing Christmas presents out, Mrs. Santa?
Pardon?
Are we dishing the Christmas presents out from Mrs. Santa?
Yeah, you've been a good boy.
Oh, that's Mummy's.
Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas
Got a Christmas haircut.
such pleasure do you bring me.
Rachel's Christmas pile.
Go on, everyone.
Is that for me?
You.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, it's heavy. Call of Duty. No more boat.
That's the new one. Are they the right ones? Yes.
It's not drill bits. What are they?
It's a nail kit.
What, copper nails? Oh. Keely's got chav pants to wear with Jamie. Oh, get her a cap.
I'm taking it to more.
A proper Adidas chav too.
Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are
What are you doing, Rach? Yeah, we need a big present from me.
Christmas tree.
Rachel's opening a new vacuum cleaner.
Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging.
Shut the front door. What is that? Oh, you got a new phone.
It's a Huawei.
It's not in the box.
Anyway, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. About this time last year, we had less than 5,000 subscribers, and we've now got over 31,000. So thank you very, very much for subscribing and following this journey. I wanted to thank Ship Happens as well for mentioning us in their video, because she gave us a fantastic boost and helped quite a few of you subscribers out there find us. Anyway, it's been a long year. and I think we're starting to make some progress this year anyway. So if you like the video, please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, thank you very much for watching.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New
We'll
Year.
See you next year.
See you next
Thank
year.
you. Bye.
Bye for now.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.